Welcome back to the channel, my good people. So today I just want to talk to you guys about another great opportunity that we have today to share. This is going to be a good, nice little side hustle that you guys can do on your own time. And also you can do it from the comfort of your own home. And this is, going to be completely using your own equipment, your own internet hardware. If you have it. If not, I think they also offer it too. And yeah, this is just another video just to help some of you guys out. I know a lot of you guys out there been, asking me to drop another video. So today we're going to be reviewing TTEC. TTEC, they are basically like a technical um company, basically they do different lines of work as well. I believe they cross over in healthcare. So they have tons of job openings right now. Their website is ttechjobs.com where you can go and apply. And just you want to navigate through their website. Down here, they have a link where you can see all the jobs that they have available. And we basically they're all across the United States. They're even in other countries. Just to let you guys know, they're currently in Guatemala, Nicaragua, Colombia. Also, they are in Brazil. Um, they're in Europe, and it's Poland, Greece, Egypt, Africa. So they're all over. They're in there's India as well. So yeah. So yeah, T-Tech is a huge company, guys. So definitely recommend it if you guys are looking for something, something to start with, something to work from home with. Um, Check out T-Tech. So T-Tech, if you are interested in any kind of employment, especially to work from home opportunities, go down here on their website, click when you see work from home, and it'll just show you. So you can just click whatever city you're in or just keyword. I'll just put in a keyword just to show you the type of different job opportunities that they have. And like I said, they're in all states. Also, they're in different countries. So this is a huge company. So just to give you like an update on everything they're offering, like if you're in Colorado right now, these are some of the remote positions that they have: senior revenue accountant, senior consultant marketing. So if you have that accounting experience, um, they are hiring. They don't disclose the pay, I believe, on here, but be prepared to, start anywhere from I believe 20 an hour and up. Pay is not too bad. And it's full-time hours as well. So if you are just depending on what market you're in, the pay may function may differ. Um, so just yeah, be prepared. So just depending on what kind of job that they're offering. Like, see, they have customer service jobs. Um, that one's pretty like entry level. Like if you're looking for like an entry level job, they also have healthcare customer service roles. So yeah, I mean whatever floats your boat, like whatever like if you're in a customer service or if you're in the sales, then you'll be able to definitely find employment here. So whatever your state you're from, they have Kentucky, Florida, Georgia, everywhere. So wherever you're from, you can find something here. You just once you're ready to apply, go to my profile. And once you're there, you want to go ahead and create an account, accept it, and create an account here. Let me user. We also have the live help where somebody will connect with you to help you through the whole process. Um, so with the so it's a very simple, easy process, and like I said, it's this is all remote job opportunities. So I'm just here to give you guys the sauce. Also, they have an op. This is a great company. They have an option where you can apply by phone. Just call in 1-866-796-5485. That's the easiest route to go is just applying by phone. And yeah, submit an application. Just tell them a little bit about your experience. If you're trying to get like a customer service job, anything, any kind of experience you have dealing with customers, whether it was you working at McDonald's, Walgreens, whatever the case may be, that will qualify you. So this is just nice little opportunity so you guys can have that side hustle for yourselves, and yeah, so there is no more excuses of not me being able to afford things or pay the bills. Check out TTEC. I'm putting you guys on. They have over 60,000 jobs available right now. Um, you come here on our social media. Just it'll show you like the work environment. So pretty laid back, and yeah, they're hiring. They're hiring everywhere, remote, whatever country you're in. I know a lot of people from overseas watch this channel. So go on their website, TTEC Jobs, and look up whatever country you're in, and see if they're hiring in that spot. So that's it for this one, guys. Just want to share this quick information with you. Um, so TTEC, check them out. They're on Twitter, Spotify, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. They have over 60,000 jobs hiring right now. They're in all cities in the US, and also they're in multiple different countries. They start you off with entry level jobs, but if you do have experience or not, you can get into customer service jobs, sales, accountant, manager positions. Everything's available on the table, and they do promote within the company. So I'm just here to give you guys the game, how do you guys can move up and get ahead. So make sure you like and subscribe. Please share the content, and stay tuned for the next one, guys. So I'll be dropping every week on the channel. Please let me know any questions you may have about this. Thank you.